Do you want to learn how to create realistic photo simulation like this under 3 minutes? Let's go. First, I'm gonna delete default cube, add new sphere, bring it up and scale it down a little bit. Go to object panel, click quick effect, quick liquid. That's it. We got quick water simulation, but we're not done yet. This cube is our domain. At the moment, I'm going to turn this into wireframe. Go to object properties, viewport display, select wireframe. Now let's add our monkey. Shader smooth this, add subdivision surface modifier. Select our monkey head, go to physics panel, fluid, then select effector. I'm going to bring this whole setup little bit up and I'm going to scale this domain little bit more. Then we need to apply this scale. Press Shift A and apply the scale. Now we can increase our simulation quality. Select the domain. I'm going to add 150 as our resolution. Now we can bake this. Scroll down. I'm going to add 100 as our end frame. Change type to all. Then press bake. Okay, our bake is done. Now I'm going to add container that holds our water. I'm going to duplicate this domain cube. Delete the fluid physics and turn this back into solid mode. I'm going to adjust this cube. Finally, let's add our ground plane. Thank you for watching, guys.